What up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Christian should be here too. Speaking of the devil, Christian just got here. We about to do some massive work to his car, and can't wait to show you guys what we're about to do. Ooh, sweet. Christian the baller is here.
Oh, no, let me count that.
What up? Ready to put some work? So today we're gonna put the kit on, and then we're gonna take off my wheels, and then we're gonna install his wheels. That's basically it. We're gonna transform this beast. It's gonna look sick.
Hopefully.
You ready, Christian?
Yeah.
Put some work?
Yeah.
Kind of late, but fuck it.
Fuck it, whatever.
Team no sleep.
Neighbors gonna complain, but whatever.
We love you, neighbors. Whoo, they still here. They're still here. All right, so let's take out this car. You think it'll start?
Yeah. Good.
Cool. Let me see. Go ahead and grab the keyway.
It's not gonna start without a battery.
Oh yeah, it has no battery. Oh, but I left it charging, bro. All right, let's put it on, and then let me get the key real quick. Wait, where the fuck is the key? Where the fuck is the key? Where's the key? Is it in the ignition? Hell yeah. Is it? Well, hopefully it starts. Crank it. It should start. What
the fuel pump?
the hell? Oh yeah. Alright guys, we have a situation. The day I started chopping up the car, I accidentally chopped the wires for the fuel pump. Now what? It was pretty simple. Weights right here.
Accidentally. Look at that. Accidentally.
It was an accident.
But it's a fine little cut. Look at that. It's accidental.
It was an accident way.
Yeah.
But just gotta connect those to that. This is a temporary fix.
Only so the car starts right now.
Yep. And before the track day, we're gonna fix these and solder them the right way. Today's video, we're gonna show you guys how to install these NRG fender washer kit. We're gonna be using them for our is300 wide body kit, and Christian already started drilling the holes for them, and we're gonna show you step by step on how to install them. All right, let's check it out what we got in here. So we have here our fender washers and screws. Check it out. These are the inserts, and then it comes with the tool. Pretty much, we're gonna have to drill a hole, and then the size of the bolt, and then we're gonna stick this in. We're gonna tighten it, and this one's gonna stay in our fender. And then after we do that, we come and get our washers, and we screw them on. All right, so you stick it in,
Wiggle it.
wiggle it in
A little bit.
carefully. Gotta be careful. And then you grab your wrench. It's a
14
it's a 14-inch wrench and a 10
socket.
Go for it, Christian. once it's nice and tight, go ahead and reverse it and take it off, and then this will stay. That's basically it. It's pretty simple. Another one. Wiggle it in carefully, and then you tighten it. But you gotta hold this one, and then
yeah, because then it's gonna keep moving on you.
Yeah, once it's snug in there, go ahead and reverse it. You don't want to tighten it all the way, or else you're gonna strip the socket.
This happens.
Just like this.
That was my bad. Overdid it.
Let me see if I can show them. Okay, yeah, so if you over tighten it, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna strip the bolt, and you don't want to do that. Luckily we have extras. All right, Christian?
And try to do it with the regular ratchet. Don't do it with the power tool, because then you're never...
Yes, do not use a power tool. Christian is just being lazy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do them all, and then we'll show you guys how it looks. They even come with their own Allen wrench, so struggle free. Pretty badass, NRG. Good job. And there you have it. They own. Now we're just installing the wheels. Check out that beefy ass tire. I like that. Check it out. Gives it that track look, even though it might not see the track. But yeah, check out those lug nuts too. Those baller lug nuts.
Baller lug nuts.
Fuck, wait, I can't afford those shits.
They're only like
$240. Fuck, bro, that's a lot. Está bien, güey. What's that? You're a baller, güey. A ver, drop it. Let's see. Oh, fucking perfect filming, güey. Hey, I told you, güey. I stayed in school.
the fronts. The backs were the ones I was worried about, not the fronts.
He's gonna be fine, way. I measured him, way.
That's why I'm worried.
Check it out. Bam, Christian, look at that fit, man. Sweet. Sick ass fool. It's looking good so far. I think it's gonna be all right. We haven't installed the rear over fenders. I mean the flares, the rear flares. So we're gonna put the wheel and then drop it and then see where we're at. All right, guys, the moment of truth. This is where it all goes down. I think we're good, Christian. I think my measurements were. Go for it, Chris. Oh! Right on the money, way.
Adjust the camber and right on the money. Right on the money.
I knew it, Christian. Hey, wait, I'm always right, way. Hey, stay in school, pinche Christian, eh? Hey, this is why you took me, huh? Hey, this is why you took me, way. Hey?
Right on the freaking money with the when I adjust the camera, it's gonna be right.
Christian, when I say, wait, trust me, way, you gotta trust me, way. Eh? Shit, Christian. Gotta have faith in the Philly, way.
Nice.
Fuck, wait, no, hey, güey. Fuck. Christian, güey. Me debes una pinche hamburguesa, güey. From Speedy Dogs. Nah, 3 hamburgers, güey. 3 burgers, güey.
That's fine, dude.
3 burgers, güey.
I don't have to spend another $600 on lips.
Fuck it. We're gonna go ahead and install the whole kit, and then we're gonna go get some burgers.
Yeah.
Cause I'm starving.
Yeah.
Right, there you go. We're gonna put the self-taps for now, just because it's getting kind of late. So we only did 1 fender, and then the rest are gonna be just self-tapped. And then tomorrow we'll just finish it up. But just to we're just gonna put them on like that, so you guys can see it how it looks with the wheels and the kit. and then we're gonna go get some burgers. Perro! I don't know. Damn, bro, your car looks pretty shiny. Oh, yeah? I'm tired, bro.